Hi everyone, my name is Jolene Wasserman from VDM Attorneys, and we would like to advise you today that remember to read our case summaries. It's going live next week on Facebook, LinkedIn, social media, everywhere you can imagine, and of course also on our website. Why do we do these case summaries at VDM? Imagine you're living in a community scheme, or you want to buy into a community scheme and you're looking for a specific case law, or you have even if you live in a community scheme, you have a problem and the neighbor's dog is barking, or the neighbor's has encroachment and it's encroaching onto your property, anything like that. We summarize the latest cases coming straight from the High Court, sometimes the Appeal Court in South Africa in Bloemfontein, and we summarize it in a one-pager. So these cases can sometimes be pages and pages long with very difficult words I don't understand. So we plain English these summaries, and we take it down and we explain to you what is this case about, who is the parties, what is the outcome. We're completely independent. We do not judge. We do not form an opinion on it. We just state the fact and why it's relevant to a specific problem or challenge within a community scheme. It might be cases of a couple years old. It might be cases or judgments that just came out of the High Court. It's super interesting. People love it, and I'm sure you would love it. So please follow all our case summaries on our website, www.vdm.law, and I'm doing all the case summaries. I'm drafting it myself in my own plain, simple English language for everyone, and of course, more for me to understand. So we have a list of all our old case summaries on our website. What is it about? So please follow us.